Hello friends, this is Cook with Appu. Today we are going to make Dalia Upma. I have posted the video for Suji Upma and Rice Vermicelli Upma also in my channel. You can check it out, but this is a very different one. In this you need veggies like carrot, capsicum. It's very healthy. You can get in any store this Dalia if you go and tell. I have taken 500 grams for 3 to 4 people. Then I have taken desiccated coconut almost 50 to 100 grams. Then ginger, curry leaves, slit green chili 2, 1 spoon of clarified butter or ghee. You can even take refined oil. Then onion, capsicum and carrot and water. And don't forget the salt. Now I have taken a thick bottom pan. We need just 2 vessels. Thick bottom pan and 1 cooker. Now I'll put the clarified butter and dalia and roast it well. You can see my clarified butter is melting down. I've taken the homemade one which I usually take. You can even use refined oil, no compulsion. I've taken more butter, clarified butter, because I am using more dalia. Then I have taken a different kind of spoon to mix it. This one I have taken because for mixing it will be easy to mix the dalia. When it will melt down completely, I'll put the dalia and roast it for almost 5 to 10 minutes. See, I have taken 500 grams of dalia, 500 grams of dalia. Now I'll roast it in ghee or refined oil you can take for 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes, don't forget, because it also catches below, so you have to be careful. Now I've just mixed it for 1 minute. You can see a shiny appearance have come to the dalia. It's because of the clarified butter. Now you have to continue mixing it till 5 to 10 minutes to roast it nicely. Now also it is not cooked. I am showing you step by step how it will look. Now it is after almost 3 minutes. When some sound will come after some time and it will turn a bit brown, means golden brown, then it will be roasted. So we have to, till that time we have to just mix it and keep it. Because that sound should come, the smell and its color will also change. Then only we will put the vegetables. In some dalias that sound don't come. Now after 6 minutes I am showing you, and see the color has changed and I have put the carrot. Now I'll put all the veggies together, everything except the water. I'll put everything in this now. While putting all the veggies, now we'll put all the veggies and the coconut also. Then we'll mix it for 2 minutes in sim flame. You can see I've put the coconut also. Now I'll mix it in very low flame for 2 minutes. You can hear some sounds now. So you can hear very low sound. It can't be here, I think so. But this sound should come. Then only we'll put the vegetables, or else little before that. Now I have mixed it well. Now I'll saute it for 1 minute in very low flame nicely. After mixing it for 1 minute in very low flame, it mixes very nicely. Then we'll put it in a cooker. I've taken a big cooker. I'll put this into that. You can see now I've put in the cooker. Now I'll just cover it with water. Don't put excess water. If you want soggy, then put excess water. But as a upma, if you want to have, so put water. I'll show you after putting the water how much to put. As you can see, just to cover the mixture, you will put the water. You can see just covering, not more than that. If you put more than that, then it will become soggy. And you have to keep in very low flame and cook it till 1 whistle. I will keep it till 1 whistle in the lowest flame. Okay. That's the trick to get the best upma, and this recipe you may not get anywhere. Please hit the like button, and obviously please subscribe my channel as always. Because of your constant support and love, I have been posting my videos, and this is almost my 36th video, I think so. So please refer to your friends my channel. Please like, share, comment. Your love only makes me confident to make new recipes and share with you. Thank you. Now I'll just close it and cook it for 1 whistle in very low flame. Now I have kept in the cooker. Now I'll just cook it for 1 whistle in very low flame. This is the recap point. Water should be this much only, just covering. Then we will put the salt and mix and then close. Before closing I didn't add this video because I wanted to show the replay. This is just a replay. As you can see, our Dalia Upma is ready. So you can see it's very hot now. I'll just serve it in my serving vessel and show you. You can see I have served in a casserole. And you can see it's so dry and smooth. I'll just show you with a spoon also. You can see so smooth and free. This should be the way. If you put excess water, it will become soggy. That's why never put excess water. How much I have told in my video. Please check that. If you like this recipe, please like. And obviously don't forget to share this video. And please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Dalia Upma is ready to have. I'll be posting more videos. For that, press the bell icon. Thank you. Cook with Appu will be posting more videos for my subscribers and viewers. I'll be always there to make new videos, and such quick recipes are also waiting. I'll be posting soon. Please press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.